These channels have fewer than 100 videos, yet they're getting millions of views from simple skeleton animations. And most people have no idea how easy they are to make. So today, I'll show you exactly how to create videos like these completely free using AI. Let's get straight into it. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Apps, then explore GPTs, and search for skeleton shorts. Start a chat and type your topic. For example, I'll be taking skeleton eating ice cream as an example here. ChatGPT will instantly generate scene-by-scene prompts for your short video. Next, go to Gemini's image generator. Take a screenshot from any skeleton reel that you see in your feed and upload it as a reference image. Paste the first scene prompt, generate the image, and download it. Then repeat this for the remaining scenes. Now, go to Grok AI for video generation. From here, click on the Imagine option, click Video, choose Animate Image, upload the first image, paste the same prompt from ChatGPT, and generate the clip. If you'd like to do a short, then choose 9:16, download it, and repeat the step for every scene. Quick heads up, AI tools like Grok can sometimes mess up visuals. So if something looks off, simply regenerate the scene. Then go back to ChatGPT and ask for a 15 to 30 second voiceover script. Copy it and generate the voice using Google Studio's text-to-speech or 11 Labs, whichever is convenient for you. Finally, open any video editor. In my case, I'll be using CapCut. Place the clips in order. Make sure you remove the pauses in the audio file. Adjust the clip speeds to match the narration. Lightly crop the clips if needed to remove watermarks. After syncing everything, you'll have a short educational skeleton video ready to post. That's another AI build with Rich B. Your viral skeleton educational short is ready. If you want to learn how to create AI videos for free and grow channels like these, make sure to subscribe, because that's exactly what I'll be teaching on this channel.